In this video, you'll learn how to find your Steam replay. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just someone who enjoys a few rounds of your favorite game from time to time, knowing how to access your Steam replay can add a whole new dimension to your gaming experience. Steam replays are a fantastic way to review your gameplay, analyze your skills, and share your achievements with friends. They offer a detailed overview of your gaming year, highlighting the games you played the most, your achievements, and various stats that can help you understand your gaming habits better. So, let's dive right in and see how you can find your Steam replay effortlessly. First things first, make sure your computer is on and you have the Steam app installed. Open the Steam application on your computer. You can easily do this by locating the Steam icon on your desktop or in your Start menu if you're using Windows. If you're on a Mac, you should find it in your Applications folder. Give it a click and let it load up. This should just take a moment, depending on your computer's speed. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted by the familiar Steam interface, which is your gateway to all things gaming. Now, with the app open, direct your attention to the top of the Steam window. Here, you'll see your profile name displayed. Hover your mouse over your profile name. This means simply moving your mouse pointer over your name without clicking. As you hover, you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. This menu houses various options related to your account and activities on Steam. It's a convenient way to access different features without having to navigate through multiple pages. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled Steam Replay. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. Clicking on Steam Replay will take you to a new page dedicated entirely to your gaming replays. Here you can explore a detailed summary of your gaming activity over a specific period, usually spanning the past year. The page is designed to give you insights into your gaming preferences, such as the types of games you've played the most, how many hours you've spent playing, and any notable achievements you've unlocked along the way. It's worth noting that Steam replays are not just for your personal insight, they're also a great tool for sharing with friends. If you're particularly proud of your gaming stats or have achieved something incredible in a game, you can easily share your replay. This can spark conversations with your gaming buddies, or even inspire them to try out some of the games you've been playing. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to finding your Steam replay. By following these easy steps, you can gain a deeper understanding of your gaming habits and enjoy the additional benefits that come with reviewing your gameplay. Whether you're looking to improve your skills, reminisce about your gaming highlights, or simply share your achievements with others, accessing your Steam replay is a valuable tool in any gamer's arsenal. So, go ahead and check out your replay today to see what exciting insights await you. Happy gaming!